I went for a hike with my partner. And again, it's August. It's super duper hot. But when we were finishing up the hike, which had kind of a decent uphill grade, I couldn't breathe. I was doubled over, could not catch my breath. And this is a hike I've done many, many times. So I was a little bit surprised, as was he. Again, I chalked it up to the heat. But also by then, my voice had already started to change. So I had no, what is that word? Projection. I had no projection in my voice. It was scratchy. Sometimes it would get really high pitched, which I would say a little bit Mickey Mouse-ish.